Hello students, today we will start question number 11. Now let's check what question number 11 is saying. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. So Baichung's grandfather, how many characters are there? Baichung, Baichung's father and Baichung's grandfather. There are three characters are there in this sum. Now, after this, what is the final statement? The sum of their ages of all the three is 135 years. So, if we add up Baichung age, Baichung's grandfather age, and Baichung's father age, then it will come as 135 years. Now, after that, what we have to find? What is the ages of each one of them? Okay, now let's begin. Now, in this particular question, we have observed that Baichung father's age has been compared with Baichung also and Baichung's grandfather also. So, I have drawn one map. Okay, this map will help you to understand this particular sum. Now, Baichung father, that is Baichung's father, is 29 years older to Baichung, but 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Fine. So what I have done is you see that both Baichung age and Baichung's grandfather age has been compared with Baichung's father. Now, if we let Baichung's age, father's age as X, then Baichung age will be what? As because Baichung is 29 years younger to his father. So Baichung age will be X minus 29. Okay, as because Baichung's father age is X, suppose Baichung's father age is 50. So now I'm asking, what is Baichung age? So we know that Baichung is 29 years younger to his father. So what I will do is 50 minus 29, then I will get the Baichung age. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. But we don't know what is the Baichung's father age, so we have let Baichung father age as X. So automatically the Baichung age will be what? X minus 29. In the same way, Baichung grandfather, that is Baichung's father's father, okay, is 26 years older to Baichung's father. Okay, that means Baichung's grandfather is 26 years older to Baichung's father. Now suppose if, what example I give you, suppose if Baichung's father is 50 years old, then Baichung's grandfather would be how much? 50 plus 26. Okay, so in place of 50 I have written X. So automatically Baichung's grandfather age will be what? X plus 26. So now we know the ages. Baichung's father age is X, Baichung age is X minus 29, and Baichung's grandfather age is X plus 26. Now what was the second statement they wrote? That the sum of the ages is 135 years. So if we add up all the ages, then we'll get 135. So according to the problem, ATP, Baichung age plus Baichung's father age plus Baichung's grandfather age, if you add up, then you will get as 135. Now just put the values now. What is Baichung age? X minus 29 plus what is Baichung's father age? We let as X, and what is Baichung's grandfather age? X plus 26 is equals to 135. Now how many x's are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3x. If you solve this minus 29 and plus 26, you will get minus 3 is equals to 135. Now we have to transpose this minus 3 to RHS. So sign will change. So 3x is equals to 135 plus 3. Okay, so the answer would be 138. Now we have to remove this. For that we have to divide it with 3 to both the LHS and RHS. So it will look like 3x by 3 is equals to 138 by 3. So finally we get finally the value of x is 46. Now as because what they have asked, what is the age of each one of them? So we have to find the age of each one of them. Okay, now what is Baichung is? First we'll start with Baichung. So Baichung age is what? X minus 29. So we'll write Baichung age is equals to x minus 29. So what is the value of x? 46. We'll put it here. So 46 minus 29 is what? 17. That means Baichung age is 17 years. Now Baichung's father age was what? X. So X we already know what is the value? 46. So Baichung's father age is 46. And what is Baichung's grandfather age? X plus 26. So we'll write x plus 26. We'll put the value of x in place of, what is it? 46. So 46 plus 26, that is 72 years. So Baichung age is 17 years. Baichung's father age is 46 years. And Baichung's grandfather age is 72 years. Okay. Let's move on to question number 12. Now question number 12, what it is saying, 15 years from now Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. That means we don't know the present age of Ravi. Okay, so first of all we have to let what is Ravi's present age, and what they are asking, what is the Ravi's present age. This is only we have to find it out. Now let Ravi's present age be x. Now 15 years after, so if the present age of Ravi is x, what would be the age after 15 years? That is, Ravi's age after 15 years will be what? X plus 15, isn't it? Now according to the problem, now again you see I have converted the whole statement into the equation form. So what, according to the question, they are saying Ravi's age after 15 years will be 4 times his present age. That is, Ravi's age after 15 years will be equals to 4 times the present age of Ravi. So Ravi's age after 15 years was what? X plus 15. So I wrote it in place of here, equals to 4 times means what? 4 into present age of Ravi. What is it? X. Okay, so x plus 25 equals to 4 into x is what? 4x. Now we can write this particular equation in this format also. Okay, that is 4x equals to x plus 15. Now we will transpose this x to left hand side. In that case the sign will change. That is 4x minus x equals to 15. Now 4x minus x is what? 3x. Now again we know that by the rule that we have to remove this 3. So for that we have to divide 3 to both the sides, that is LHS and RHS. So once if we do it, it will look like 3x by 3 equals to 15 by 3. So the value of x is 5. Fine. So therefore Ravi's present age equals to x, that is equals to 5 years. So this was the solution of question number 12. Please copy it down, question number 11 and 12, and show it to me in Google Classroom. Okay. Thank you and take care.